Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to use Adobe After Effects. I'll be showing you how to do 3 basic transitions which are super easy to do, and I'll be showing you some shortcuts that I use to save time. Okay, so now we're in After Effects. You want to go over to the left, which is New Project. You want to go to Advanced. This is very important. You want to go to Advanced. Make sure your shutter angle is above 200, as this makes it more of a smoother look for the motion blur. This first transition is a scale in, and it's super simple to do. For this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use graphs for a more smoother look, so let's get started. First, you need to import your things. So right click this area, go to Import, File, then click on what you need. You can hold Shift to get multiple, and then you press Import, but I have my things imported, so click on the first one, click S on your keyboard, you get scale, right? So hold Shift to go to the end, click the little time here, and then you want to drag this right here. Then you want to go over here, press Shift so you can get to the end or close to it. Then you want to drag this to the right, to a little bit in, and then you want to click and hold to get these 2 points. You either press F9 or you can right click Keyframe Assistant and click Easy Ease, which makes it more of a smoother animation. So hold Shift to get both, then you want to go all the way over here to this icon. Then you get this graph, spread graph. Make sure you click this and you have value graph, which is going to look like this. Now, to get both, you want to hold Shift, click on 2 points. Now, hold Shift and drag 1 point this way and drag this point all the way down so it can go slow and then fast. And then make sure for the smoother look, you click on this box, which is for motion blur. And you're gonna see the blur that happens. There we go, smooth. Now go to graph, just do this. Make sure to hold Shift. This one too. Don't hold Shift on this one actually, but there we go. And then make sure you want to click motion blur and make it blur for both. For the second transition, it pretty much is the same thing, but it's just a position movement, and it's called the slide in, slide out, and it uses the same graph, so it's pretty much the same thing. So let's get started. You want to click on P, click on the time, that's fine. Go near the ending, but not all the way, and make sure you drag this all the way to the right until you can't see it anymore. Then press on this, and then you get this graph. To get this graph, you want to go over to speed graph instead of value graph. And same thing, click on one of them, you get both of them. Then you hold Shift to go all the way to the right. This one all the way to the right. And it gives you the slow and then fast. And then I'll show you how to fix these later. Same thing with this one. P, go all the way to the front, holding Shift, time. There, you want to have it like this, so you drag this all the way to here, and then you want to go all the way to the left now, so you can't see it. Get the same thing. Hold one of them. This one, you can go all the way to the left. Right there is good. So to get rid of the black, you want to go over to motion, drag to the photo or video, then go to output width, change it to 300, and height 300, and then you want to make sure you want to click mirror edges. And then you make sure you want to click motion blur for both. Now you get this. The third transition is called a rotation, and it's again the same thing but just a rotation. So it also uses the same graph, so let's get started. On your keyboard, press R. Make sure you click on the time, that's fine where it is. So then go close to the edge, but not exactly there. And then type in 90 for 90 degree. Then drag it. And then make sure for this one you have value graph instead of speed graph. And then this one you go all the way to the right and drag this one down for a slow to fast movement. Go back to this one, press R, go to the beginning. Now this one, I'm gonna do -90. Let me get this for the other way. And then go back here. Let's do back to 0 to get where it was. Back to normal. Now this one, you want to drag this one upwards and this one all the way to the left, holding shift. And this one, it goes fast and then slow. Now, don't forget to do motion blur again. And now, it's smooth.